What is up, YouTube? So I thought I used to do a quick little speed test here between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPod Touch 5th generation. And as you can see, if we look at the size here, we can see that there is a pretty large difference in terms of how large they are. Obviously, the iPod Touch 5th generation is quite an old iPod Touch. And if we stack it up here, you can see how small it is. And you can also see, if we look at it from the sides here, you can see how thin it is. So it's almost half the thickness. And you also have this little thing down here on this one, which you can put out and put in. So let's do this. Here we go. So you can really notice here that there's like a massive difference in terms of how fast they are. And this one here is running on iOS 9.3, I think it is. And obviously we have the latest version of iOS over here, which is iOS 15. So there's a pretty large difference between this software version. And you can also see in here, it's a little bit, it just says version. Here it says software version. So quite a small little difference over there. You can see that in terms of UI, they haven't really changed that much over the years. We still do not have an app drawer inside of any of these two devices. And if we go down here to settings, yeah, it is pretty interesting when we look at the settings here. So I'm just gonna see if I can raise the brightness a little bit. Yeah, if we look at it here, I'm just gonna see. Oh yeah, here is also a difference. You used to have it on the old generation iPhones that you do have this swipe up from the down screen, and the way it works these days is you don't do that, because then you get the multitasking window, but you have to swipe from that direction, from the top direction basically. And yeah, this is how the UI used to look like a couple of years ago. And in some ways I think it was almost better for some reason. It feels like more natural to do it here from the bottom instead of doing it from this one up at the top corner. So yeah, just a quick little side-by-side look here.